Is your LG TV not turning on and instead the red light is just blinking? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many LG TV owners have encountered this frustrating issue. Figuring out how to fix LG TV red light blinking can seem daunting, but with a little guidance, you can often resolve it on your own. In this script, we'll walk you through several steps to diagnose and hopefully fix the problem, getting you back to your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Perform a basic power reset. The first step in addressing the red light blinking issue is to try a basic power reset. Start by unplugging your TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 10 to 15 minutes, which allows any residual power to drain from the TV's capacitors. Afterward, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. This simple reset can often resolve minor issues by resetting the TV's internal system. Step 2. Check the power supply. If the power reset doesn't work, the next step is to check the power supply. Ensure that your power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Additionally, test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm that it's working correctly. If you're using a power strip, try connecting the TV directly to the wall socket, as power strips can sometimes malfunction. Step 3. Inspect the remote control. Sometimes the issue may lie with your remote control rather than the TV itself. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries and is functioning correctly. You can test this by pressing the power button on the remote and observing if the TV responds in any way to other buttons. There's no response. Try turning the TV on using the power button on the TV unit itself, bypassing the remote entirely. Step 4. Examine the TV for any physical damage. Carefully inspect your TV for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks or other impact damage that might affect its operation. Also, check for loose cables or connections within the TV's vicinity. Pay particular attention to HDMI cables and other peripheral connections, as a faulty connection could potentially trigger a red light blinking error. Step 5. Contact LG support or a technician. If none of the previous steps work, it might be time to reach out to the experts. Contact LG customer support for professional advice. Make sure to note any error codes on the screen or the number of times the red light blinks in a cycle, as this information can be crucial for accurate troubleshooting. Alternatively, consider hiring a certified technician to inspect the TV and diagnose more complex issues that require technical expertise. Dealing with a red light blinking issue on an LG TV can be a hassle, but by following these steps, you can often identify and resolve common problems on your own. From performing a simple power reset to seeking expert assistance, each step brings you closer to a solution. Remember, it's important to remain patient and methodical in your approach. By understanding how to fix LG TV red light blinking, you can ensure your TV runs smoothly and continues to serve as a source of entertainment for you and your family. Enjoy your viewing and happy troubleshooting.